Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix the above error. When you get such an error, some software won't open. As in my case, Microsoft Excel failed to open. To resolve this error, download the version of Visual Studio that matches your operating system. My computer runs Windows 64-bit, so I download the x64 installer. I put the link in the description, or you can search for Visual Studio on Google. Now you just need to install Visual Studio like any other software. It takes you less than a minute to install Visual Studio. I finished the installation. Next I open Microsoft Excel and check the result. You should see the problem solved. Good luck. Thanks for watching.